Maui is a beautiful island, located in the central Pacific Ocean, part of the Hawaiian island chain. It is one of the most popular vacation destinations in Hawaii, known for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and lush tropical landscapes. Here's some information that may be helpful for trip planning. Best time to visit. The best time to visit Maui is from April to May, and September to November, when the weather is mild and the crowds are smaller. However, keep in mind that this is peak season and prices for accommodations and activities will be higher. Getting there. Maui has two main airports, Kahului Airport, OD, and Kapalua Airport, GAN. Kahului is the larger airport with more flight options, while Kapalua is smaller and primarily serves inter-island flights. Accommodations. Maui has a variety of accommodations, from luxury resorts to budget-friendly hotels and vacation rentals. The most popular areas to stay are in West Maui, Lahaina, Ka'anapali, and Kapalua, and South Maui, K and Wailea. Activities. Maui offers a wide range of activities, including snorkeling, surfing, hiking, and whale watching during the winter months. Some popular attractions include Hale, Akala National Park, Road to Hana, and the famous Black Sand Beach at Waiana, Hainapa State Park. Dining. Maui has a diverse culinary scene, with a mix of local Hawaiian cuisine and international options. Some must-try dishes include poke bowls, Kailua pig, and shave ice. Transportation. Renting a car is highly recommended on Maui, as public transportation is limited, and many attractions are spread out. Additionally, driving the road to Hana is a popular activity, and having a car is essential for this excursion. Overall, Maui is an excellent destination for those who love outdoor activities and want to relax in a beautiful tropical setting.